person?
Vai con Hong Kong, Feeding Star.
His name is Feeding Star for the elder son.
Tem Feeding Star.
That's
This is the long
version for
the
the
first
Hata ka ba kon umpat.
short version. Now she will sing for the second son.
สกุลบาอาพิวสตาร์เลย
His name is Pew Starwell.
แล้วก็บางคนถ้าสกุลบาลายบิวตี้ลิน
Both of her daughter, they are
คน
not
เป็
here.
นเทบิวตี้ลิน
Both of her daughter, they are not here in Meghalaya. Her eldest daughter, they are working in Goa.
มีตังบัตรเลยว่าบิวตี้ลิน
They are
ก็ได้
working
กูว่า
They are working over there in Goa because she just finished hotel management from Shillong and then she went to work over there. And then her youngest daughter, they are in Mangalore.
ต่อ
They are still
อัตรา
studying
ระบาย
BSc nursing.
บิวตี้ลิน ตากะบะคนตาสุคนขัดดุมังกาลุบะ
Her
บิสิ
youngest
นอสิง
daughter, they are in Mangalore right now.
มังกา
They
ลุ
are studying BSc nursing over there. ตาหาตากะบะคน
दोनों के साथ आ जाओ सबके साथ
We the men, we have to go to the lady's house. Even the property, the lands and everything, only the girls they can inherit it. The man they will not get anything from the parents, only the ladies.
In this village
Yeah.
there is a inter village
Marriage.
marriages is there?
There's no restriction, there's no thing about the marriage. You can marry anyone from because it is a love marriage. You can marry anywhere if you can marry a person from from foreign country or from a nearby village also you can get married. There's no restriction about marriage.
Is in nearby village also this system this calling system
Yes, there's some other village but not all of them they use it 100%. Only 50%, 70%. Not all of them they use it. But here in Kongtong they use it 100%.
okay
Hello my dear friend, to katuk khandiat philai I mene to jingkran jongi ba katuka ba ki ikot ba ikran ni katuka kantien ba hadu southly katuka ba ipa itu imei kamu kadai ka kantien ba ki khot ya ki khun ki khot kateng ya ki khun te katuka de ba ki khot kateng utu khun ba he phin pe yak ne ko video hadu ba kun phin I katuka ba ki khot kateng ki khun ba he hadu khun ni barin kane ule ulum uba phi menta ule ulum de ban poisa kasurok dauki angte te bachon haune sha jong le diang bawa lama ati kade ka bamboo bridge ka ban le bawa khen te nang ne stay penga nga ayeng kali stu serum te angni mdan ei mo kane kam de ka transport mo pyong kamakiong de kade ka Kongtong village hangne kibri bakwa bonwan hangne kidi tamon su once ban snap ya ka kantien ka baki khot baki kran komno ki khot ki khon ki khti baki kabam kadi jongki ki kran bat ki tre ki kta te tang kata hi te tong an sapni shu kham sibit khandian snong ka khuj ba kaju hi long kum si malonong ke snong malonong village day de shiru ka shit ba ka ni ka jaka te ka Hei. Pi bon ra sama. Hai ka yang. Ha dukan hang ne. Wah. Hei. Ini pe ada piwan sini ada ka sun sondi maknaru kamele ke dukan pinjo ben. Ini de dukan sinong. Te ka biang hi uni mo tetangkat ni kublis bun mulai parok iba cu sultanat ban pe ke video jonga te ngam yo ban upload video shoot mentala katu kan ne banai kawe ke ke jing bun kam jonga skwe bangam pois ki jaka kiba phala kiba itnat sultanat mo te ngam ko ban penbun video kai ban su penlut kai ka por jonga te kublis bun te ublen kur ku pilang baro iwi pa iwi ni pe ba i ne video jonga kublis bun